What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. And yep, I'm not the owner of this channel, so don't think that I'm the owner. I'm technically the editor. Anyway, so today we are going to be unboxing this wireless speakers. Can you please put them? Okay, so as you can see, this is the wireless speakers that I've ordered from Amazon. And you can see that we got not a lot of details on the package. It got a few colors there, minor things, you can study those. But let's check what's on inside. So here we got the main speaker. We're gonna put that away for a few seconds. And let's see what's in here. So we've got, and so it is an aux cable. It is used for your MP3 stuff. I don't want to show you what's that. And here's the charging cable as usual. And we got two user manuals. What the? Two user manuals. So we got two user manuals. That's insane. Let's just throw that out. And now let's look at the speaker. Now, one thing I have to tell about this speaker, this is really heavy. Seriously, this is kind of heavy. And let me show you how to connect this. So as you can see, at the back we got on and off button. Let's just turn it on. You see how much loud that was? Let me just connect that to my phone really quick. So for connecting it, you need to go to your Bluetooth, and then you gotta search for a thing named as SJSW. Yep, this is the device name. You can see that. But you gotta hit that, and after that you see that you can actually, let me just show you some of these. Let me just show you. Let me just play something to show you this audio quality.
Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that. It's such a blessing, yeah.
As you can see, this is a very good speaker, to be honest. And if you want to, you can also connect it by this. Let me show you right now. Before that, I can also tell you that I'm turning off the Bluetooth. And now, let me just plug this in. As you can see, it is kind of like showing out some stuff, but the Bluetooth is off. Even without Bluetooth, you can connect it. Even without Bluetooth, you can connect this, which is pretty insane, and that's what the aux cable is for. It's kind of like a weird sound, but pretty good sound. I'm not gonna lie, and this is a pretty good speaker if you want to use it, and yeah, it's pretty good. Only problem with this is that if you connect the aux cable, it kind of makes some weird sounds, and it's also pretty good, and it's kind of heavy. And I don't know if this is always, but I got two user manuals. I don't know why, but they're all same. Let me show you. These user manuals are both same. Seriously, how do I get two of these? Like, I'm kind of still laughing. And if you can see, it is compatible with a lot of things. Like you can see, you can connect that to phone, laptops, and whatever, most of the thing. I do not think it can connect to console, but it can connect to phone and Windows and iOS or whatever. You can connect it, and also it's a very good speaker. I recommend you buying it, and I'll put the link right below this video for you to buy it. Guys, yes. Don't forget to hit the like button or smash it or do whatever with it. And subscribe the freaking channel. What are you doing? Subscribe it. Oh, also, don't forget to comment how you like the video.